estate to real estate. It's Money Matters with Dino.
If you're looking to sell your house, what do you do right away? We've talked about staging a little bit. Should people professionally hire somebody to stage their home? Does it really play a part in such a hot, market, or can you just put anything up right now and it'll sell?
Well, I'll take that. Dino, I think right now it just depends. I mean, if you yourself know what, and looking at your home in the eyes of, for example, a buyer, how would you want to see the property? So you ask yourself that, but definitely declutter. If you take down those pictures, the less is better. So the less furniture pieces you have, I always say it starts there with decluttering and make your house, make it look like a nice open area. And then if you're the grass, for example, if it's dry, add some bedding flowers. What does it cost? A couple dollars to add some color to the front of your home?